Hi, I'm Darren LeBuc of VL Photography, and this is my backyard. Okay, so we're out here at a couple of the parks doing some landscape photography. I got a brand new variable ND filter that I've been dying to try out. So we're gonna do some long exposures of the waterfalls and some of the creek beds and stuff and see what we come up with. So this first location that we're at is in Goldstream Park. It's Niagara Falls, not the one in Ontario. We're still in BC. This one's much smaller than the one in Ontario. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing a long exposure of the creek where you can see the little falls running over the rocks here, and then in the background you can actually see the big waterfall. So it's blurring out the big waterfall and the creek bed. So we're gonna see what we can get with a shot like that. So along the river here, we had to make a little bit of a pit stop. We saw a little bird that's called the American Dipper. They're actually quite neat, and it looks like the mother was feeding some young. So I got a picture of that, so we'll have to see what it turns out like. But I think we'll have to do a full video on that bird. They're really neat to watch. So here, I brought the camera right down on the creek bed here and put it on top of the rocks and shot down just at the level of the water. So I thought it was an interesting perspective. So this waterfall that we're at now is called Goldstream Falls. It's a waterfall that is at the back of the campsite for the provincial park Goldstream, hence why it has its name. It's a wonderful, beautiful location. You can swim here in the summertime, and it makes a great spot to do the kind of photos we're looking to get today. So this here is our last location. This is the Durance Lake waterfall. You could see the eagle fishing just before we got here in the video, and I got a nice little shot of it as it left the tree to get the fish. And I think I might have had the one in the water, but we'll have to see what turns out. So we're gonna get some footage of this last waterfall here. Well, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, comment down below, and remember to subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.